Okay, this is the Adams Air Cannon. I bought the wall mount. It does come with 4 wheels so that it can roll around your floor. It's
All right, watch your
really
city
good
roll.
to use after you've dried your car off and you need to get all that pesky water drips. You can blow the air in the door jambs, the wheels, the grill, the side mirrors. You can even actually blow out any kind of dust that's inside the car. I find it has been great for somebody with OCD that loves to clean their car themselves to really do exactly what I've been looking for. Have no complaints. It actually blows warm air to help dry the car a little bit faster. If you like it, go check the link out in the comments and see if you want to buy it. Take care.